on, everybody? Welcome to Network King. I'm Derek, and today we'll be learning how to append files and delete them. Alright, we'll begin with deleting a file. First, we have to create it. Let's go into the desktop. Echo. Let's put I love bacon. And bacon.txt file. Alright, so now we'll go to directory. You can see it's right here, 13 bytes long. So delete, you're literally just gonna go del for delete and type in the file name, bacon.txt. And let's check that directory once more. You're gonna notice it's gone. Now let me recreate that file so I can show you how to read the contents within a file without accessing it through the GUI. So echo, let's just say bacon. Bacon.txt, dir, there it is. Now for some bonus content, if you've been watching this long, if you type the word type and then the file name, so bacon.txt, what it'll do is it'll go in and it'll print out, it'll type it out for you. I use this if you don't want to use a program like Notepad or anything like that. And if you want to overwrite a file, it's very simple. You're just going to write, so if you type in echo, put in, for instance, I am hungry, or just put I'm hungry. Bacon.txt, enter. Now for the type bacon.txt, you'll notice it overwrites it. So basically, whenever we create a file, kind of like how we did earlier, echo whatever you want within the file, it won't append, it won't add it to the end, it'll overwrite it. Now if you want to append something, you can add it to the list, so it'll be I'm hungry for bacon. Normally how we write echo and whatever we want in the file, right? For instance, bacon, we'll just put more bacon. If you want to add it to the list instead of overriding it, you don't even normally use this greater than symbol. What you can do is use two of them, and then the file type dir. You're going to notice now it's 23 bytes long. And let's go to type bacon.txt, and what do you know? I'm hungry, more bacon. Guess I should put 4 more bacon. And another neat little trick is, let's just say we want to put the directory, all this information, all this into a text file. Well, what we could do is copy paste everything and open up Notepad, move everything over, put it over there. Or we don't feel like doing that. At least I don't. You can if you'd like to. What you're gonna do is type in directory, put everything in the directory over into this bacon.txt file. Now let's check out the bacon.txt. Type bacon.txt. You're gonna notice it has everything within there, and it overrode it because I didn't use the doubles, or the double greater than symbol. So for instance, directory bam bacon.txt, and let's check out the bacon.txt once more. You're gonna notice it doubled it up because, can you guess? The double greater than symbol. Now let's verify. Let's go back into go back to the desktop. You'll see that file that we just created, bacon.txt, is right here. Let's open that up, and there we are. Pretty sweet. We have all the information that we needed in this text file. Alright, I'm gonna go check on that Super Bowl because that's been going on this whole time. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. If it was useful to you or helpful in any kind of way, please like, share, or comment down below. Remember that hands-on experience is key, so I recommend that you open up that Windows Command Prompt and follow along with me, step by step. If you'd like to learn more on how to use the Windows Command Prompt, go on to the next video in this tutorial. Until then, cheers.